Welcome to science class. In this class I am going to explain changes around us. Changes takes place around us all the time. A change means to replace one thing for another or to become different. A change refers to an alteration in physical properties or alteration in the composition of matter. For example, ice melts on heating, that is, that it changes from a solid to liquid. On further heating, water starts evaporating. It changes from a liquid to a gas. Here, there is a change in the physical state of the substance. Heat a cup of water and a paper. The water upon heating become just hotter and hotter, and at some point will become water vapor. It remains water at all times. That is, water remains the same. Only its volume changes, and hence it is called a physical change. Whereas in the case of burning of paper, changes to carbon dioxide and other substances. Now we cannot get back the paper after burning, as there is a change in the chemical nature. It is called as chemical change. Matter. Anything that occupies space and have mass is defined as matter. Matter is classified as solid, liquid and gas based on the physical state. We know that matter is made up of tiny particles, atoms and molecules. Particles are in constant and random movement. Let us have a look at the summary of the characteristics of solid, liquid and gas. In solid, particles are very close together. Particles are arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles can vibrate about their fixed positions on heating. In liquid, particles are close together. Particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles are able to slide past one another. In gas, particles are far apart from each other. Particles are not arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Particles move freely over long distance. Effect of heat on solid, liquid and gases. Upon heating, particle arrangement within the state of matter gets disturbed. The disturbance is seen either as expansion or contraction. When heated or cooled, the object may expand or contract, but the mass remains the same. That is, the number of particles that was inside the object does not undergo any change. Only the arrangement of the particle changes. When a glass of water is heated, its volume increases. And if a glass of water is cooled, its volume decreases. Such changes where there is change in volume but mass remaining the same are called physical changes. The physical changes can be pictorially depicted as follows. Effect of heat gain and heat loss may result in melting, boiling, freezing and condensation. May result in expansion and contraction. This brings about change in state, during which the volume changes, mass is conserved. Students, I hope you have understood about changes around us. Thank you.